Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on SQL intro question. So the question is here, how to replace first word occurrence in your sentence. First I will write my sentence. So this is my sentence. So it was a beautiful evening and Manoj was the only boy in the park. So I want to replace first occurrences of was. Instead of was, I want to replace this was as is. I want to replace first occurrence. There was has been appeared in the sentence twice. See, it is appeared twice in the sentence, but I want here replace this was to is. Okay. So for that, we need to use two functions, string functions. One is stuff, and second one is Charindex. By using these two functions, we can get the output. First, I will show what is stuff. So stuff is one of the string function which accepts four arguments. First one is string. This is first argument, and second one is starting position. So here I am taking one as starting position, and third one is number of characters int. So here I want to replace 6 characters from the first, and a replacement string I want to replace as SQL. So originally the string is Python tutorial. So here I am using the stuff function to replace Python with SQL. So you will get SQL tutorial. So this is how this stuff function will works. And Charindex is just return the position or index of the character or letter from the string. Okay. So I am taking the same string. I am using Charindex. So here H, I want to know the position of the H letter in the string. The string is I am taking this one. So it will return a position of the H. You see position of the H is 4. So by using these two string functions, so I want to replace this was to is. So for that, first I am declaring the sentence. I am taking this whole sentence. Declare a variable called sentence. Okay. I am giving data type as 100 length. I am setting the value as this sentence. I am declaring one envarchar data type sentence variable. I am setting the value in this. Okay. Next, I am declaring one more word to replace. Word to replace. This is so here I am taking varchar data type with 5 length. I am setting the value as was because this word I want to replace. Next one, replacement. Declaring one more variable, replacement. Okay. So here I am taking same 5 length. I am setting the value as is. So I am declaring one more integer variable, declare position integer. So in this integer I want to use the Charindex. So Charindex, as I shown earlier, so I want to search for was here. I want to search for was. So here you can see, here I am searching for h in the string. So here I want to search for word to replace. Search for word to replace in sentence in this variable. By using Charindex, I am searching for word to replace in sentence. If at start position is greater than 0, if at start position is greater than 0, then I want to replace using stuff function. Begin end. So here I am writing set at sentence equal to, so here I am using stuff function. So as I shown, first it will take the string. So what is the string here? At sentence is the string. Okay. Next it is asking integer. So it is integer. Next here I am taking integer as again start position. I am taking this as integer. Okay. And the third is a length. So length here I am using how many characters you want to replace. So here in the Python tutorial I am using 6. Starting from P I want to take length of 6 letters. So here I am taking length of word replace. I want to take the length of this word to replace. That means I want to take the length of word to replace, means word to replace means was. Okay, I want to take this was. Okay. Next, last argument is replacement. What is the replacement here? Is. Replacement was is. So here end. And finally select this sentence. If you execute the whole script, you can see here it is a beautiful evening. So actually it was a beautiful evening. The original sentence is it was a beautiful evening. So here we want to replace was first occurrence. So here the was word is appear twice in this sentence. I want to replace first occurrence with is. So I am declaring 4 variables. So here I am using stuff function to replace the value is with was. Okay, this is how you need to use. By using stuff function you can replace first occurrences of a word in your sentence. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.